Welcome all. Today we will learn how to uninstall Sitecore 9.3 manually. What are the steps required to uninstall the Sitecore? So before start, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. So let's start. In the search bar, type services open. Search for service which created while installing the Sitecore. Here are the services created. Firstly, we have to stop all these running services. Click on stop and the services will stop. Open the command prompt as administrator, and in the administrator we have to delete all these services. Right click on service and click on properties and then copy the service name, and in command prompt type sc delete and the service name and click enter. So in the same way we have to delete all the service created. Once we delete the service, we have to click on that service and refresh. It will automatically gone from our service. So all our services deleted. In the search bar type IIS. Here we have to delete the instance that is hosted in IIS. We have to stop first and then click on delete. Right click and remove. It will remove from our hosting platform, that is IIS. And also from application pool we have to remove the same. Just select the same instance name and on the right bar right side we can click on remove. We have deleted from hosting, so run the Solar, click on core admin and unload the project that you want to uninstall. Unload the core files. These are the indexes that are indexed while installing the instance. So same under the folder structure like C, where you have installed the Solar, go to Solar folder, then bin, and after that you have to go to Solar. In this, delete same service that you have unloaded from the Solar running state. After that, in run dialog box click drivers, then etc. In this we have a host entry. Edit the host entry file with the editor. We are using here is Notepad++. Delete the host entries with the same instance name that we are deleting. We have deleted the host entry, and then from the SQL server we have to remove all the created databases. Then open the SQL server. We are connected, and after that delete all the databases with the same instance name. Right click and click on delete and click on close existing connection and then OK. So likewise you have to delete all the database file with the same name. To ease the process, here you can, on the keyboard you can click on delete, select the database, click on delete from the keyboard. Delete pop-up will automatically open up, and then close the existing connection and then click OK. So all our databases deleted. So in folder structure inetpub www root, there is delete the folder that are created. So in this way we have deleted the instance that we have installed we have deleted the instance manually. Follow all these steps to delete Sitecore 9.3 instance manually. Thanks.